At the LANDEURO 2025 Defense Summit in Wiesbaden, Germany, Ukraine's Brave One Defense Technology Initiative introduced its groundbreaking Vampire heavy bomber drone, an event that marks a turning point in international military collaboration. This unveiling underscores Ukraine's emergence as not only a battlefield innovator but also a global co-creator of next-gen weapons systems. As a nation at war, Ukraine offers something rare, immediate and continuous real-world validation of combat technologies under live-fire conditions, something few countries can replicate. Unlike traditional defense exhibitors, Ukraine's presence at the conference was not about hypothetical capabilities. The Vampire drone is already active in combat zones, most notably deployed with the 59th Motorized Brigade. Captured imagery from May 2025 shows the system in final operational evaluations in Dnipro, affirming its readiness for high-precision strike missions. Engineered for rugged environments and asymmetric warfare, the Vampire boasts an impressive payload designed to neutralize fortified enemy positions while remaining agile and resilient in contested airspace. What distinguishes Vampire isn't only its destructive capability, it's the developmental ecosystem it emerged from. Brave One, Ukraine's state-supported defense tech hub, integrates engineers, private sector startups, and active-duty soldiers into a unified R&D loop. In contrast to the prolonged procurement cycles common in NATO states, Ukraine's high-stakes environment has forced the acceleration of innovation. Feedback from the front feeds directly into design iterations, allowing battlefield needs to dictate hardware evolution in near real time. This drone was not born in the sterility of simulations but in the chaos of artillery duels, drone dogfights, and electronic warfare disruptions. It was crafted for survival and dominance in the same trenches where it now operates. While Western drones like the US-made Phoenix Ghost or Iranian Shahid 136 are notable, they often lack the iterative, soldier-led refinements that the Vampire system has undergone. From hardened navigation systems to enhanced flight autonomy, every aspect of the Vampire reflects lessons written in blood. Strategically, this platform represents more than a tactical tool, it signals Ukraine's transformation into a defense tech exporter and co-developer. The drone strengthens Kyiv's strike capabilities while positioning the country as a testing ground and launchpad for allied innovation. It also helps shift the global defense industry away from slow, top-down procurement toward combat-driven, rapid prototyping models rooted in operational feedback. Financial specifics surrounding the Vampire remain classified, in line with Ukrainian defense confidentiality standards. However, sources suggest that full-scale production is already underway, likely coordinated through Brave One and financed via a combination of state resources and international partnerships. With its debut under the banner of the 59th Brigade, the drone is expected to see broader deployment in upcoming months. Ukraine's approach, developing tools in direct response to enemy threats, then deploying them almost instantly, demonstrates a military-industrial agility unmatched in peacetime economies. For defense firms seeking fast-track testing and field integration, Ukraine is now a premier destination. In launching the Vampire drone, Kyiv isn't merely reacting to war, it is shaping its technological trajectory. This new breed of warfare, where drones are born in battle and refined under fire, represents the future. Ukraine, scarred but unbroken, is turning its front lines into the world's most dynamic defense lab, and offering its allies a seat at the table.